Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your clips in Instagram Reels. I'm from Content Clarity, and this channel is all about showing you the tips, tricks, hints and advice on how you can run a successful online business. Now, when it comes to doing Instagram Reels, you might still be at the stage where you're not entirely sure how you can edit those clips together. So I'm going to switch over to my phone screen now so that you can see how inside Instagram you can sort of edit your clips together to get the best results. So what we're going to do is try and recreate this effect where I'm looking up to another camera almost. So if we go into Reels, I'll show you how you can edit the clips to make it look like that. So we're going to go up in the first clip. I always set the timer because, you know, sometimes you've got to get it placed right and perfect. So first one, I'm just going to look upwards and not move the phone. So that's fine. Now, for the second one, I'm just going to set the timer again. I'm going to be looking upwards. So I want the camera to be above my head this time. So this is why the timer is really useful in this one particularly. Well, it gives me a chance to look down. So I'm just going to look up to the camera in this one. So now I have two clips, right? So now I go into the click the little arrow. I now have two clips, as you can see. I've got one where I'm looking up and one where I'm looking up again. So if we go into that first one, we're going to trim it down to the point where my neck just starts to go. It'll take a little while just to get it at the exact point that my head starts to move. Then we're going to go into the second clip and we're going to sort of trim it down on the other way so that we get it just as my face starts to come into view. So trimming it from the other side now. So if we get that just right and perfect, I'm happy with that. So then when the two of them run together, it looks like this. So there you have it, how you can edit your clips inside Instagram Reels. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. I will be back again soon with another video, so I would love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.